Welcome guys, in this video I am going to tell you about the BSA Goldstar. So let's begin. The BSA Goldstar, also known as the Goldie. The story starts way back in 1937 when a man named Wal Hanley lapped the Brookland circuit at over 100 miles per hour or 160 kilometers per hour. After that he was awarded the Goldstar badge. This inspired the BSA engineers to go for the Goldstar name. The first two models or variants were known as JM24 and M24. These models came with 30 horsepower engine. The production continues till 1939, till the start of the World War II. After the war ended in 1945, we would have to wait for another 3 years for the Goldstar to go in full production. The B31 and B32, which was even a more highly tuned form, became the 350 cubic centimeters Goldstar, which won the 1949 Clubsman TT at an average speed of 75 miles per hour. Later came the B34 in September of the same year, which was the 500 cubic centimeters variant, which produced 38 brake horsepower at 7,000 RPMs and had a 4-speed transmission, which helped the Goldstar to go over 100 miles per hour, to be precise 102.27 miles per hour. All said it was not an easy job to start one of these. As you can see, some people have broken their legs doing so. Later in 1954 came the new CB engine, which increased the power output to 30 and 38 brake horsepower. In the years to come, the Goldstar received various performances upgrades which helped the bike to become more easy to ride. Models like BSA Star Daytona were made to win the Daytona race in the USA. Our interest is in the 500 cubic centimeters variants because, according to me, it is the true Goldstar. It is the 500 which made the Goldie the fastest bike in the 1950s, as it was basically a track machine made into a roadster. This can be said because it was fitted with a MAL GP carburetor normally fitted to race versions. There was little or no drive below 3,000 RPM, and the high compression engine would not run below 2,000 RPM. The production continued till 1962. After the production stopped, as magneto, which was used in these bikes, was not available, and BSA said it was not economical to produce this bike anymore. Instead, they went for producing the 250s and C15s. The BSA Goldstar was the everyone's idea of British classic motorcycle, although the highly tuned engine could be a nightmare for some. In its career, the Goldstar had 11 wins in Isle of Man TT, which is just mind-blowing. In 2016, Mahindra acquired the BSA Group, and in 2022 the Goldstar made a comeback with 650 cubic centimeters engine, which made 45 brake horsepower at 6,000 RPM. The new models look to be gentle and far more approachable, with style taking priority over outright performance. New Goldstar has a liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with 4 valves which produce 55 Nm of torque at 4,000 RPM. It has a front and rear disc brakes and a fuel tank of 12 liters. If you like the video, please subscribe and share this video. And thank you for watching.